Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. On my screen I have another video which is so interesting. So guys, as you can see, I'm about to claim my profits from VChain mining website. If you haven't joined or you don't know anything about this website and you are interested, you'd want to join, the minimum amount you can join it with is $10 or 10 USDT. So if you don't know how to go about the registration process, I'm going to link a video where I did full tutorial on how to register, how to do the task, and also how to withdraw. I did a live withdrawal on that video, so you can watch it to learn more. And also remember to join our main group for more updates about new websites which can pay you some extra income. So there we share different sites. At the same time, we give updates on different things on daily basis. So if you're new on my channel, this is the first time watching my video, you're welcome. My name is Cynthia, and on this channel I talk about, or I give tutorials on how to make extra income online. Some are free and some you need to, or you need to activate with cash. So just follow the instructions, make sure you watch the video until the end, and also don't forget to like the video. And also, if you haven't subscribed and you've been watching my videos, you've never subscribed, or you watch my video or come across my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification bell, so that every time I'll be uploading any new video, you'll be notified, so you won't miss any of my videos. Because guys, I'm always giving live things, like good sites. And if you follow all the steps that I normally give out, I'm telling you, you must make something out of it. So like the video, watch the video until the end for full information or full tutorials. So here we go. So what I'm going to do first, I'm gonna claim my profits. So I'm in level 1. So normally I claim 52.96 VET coin in a day. After every 24 hours I have to come back here to claim my profit. So I'm gonna click on claim profit. So this is for level 1. Those who are having level 2, level 3, level 4, they earn differently. So every level has got its own price and its own profit. So you can just go through everything. So if you want to know more, you can also ask me or join our WhatsApp group. I'm leaving the link on the description and the comment section. Join our group for more clarifications. So I'm gonna click on confirm to receive my VT coin. Immediately I do that, it will start counting again. So I'll be getting 2.2 VET coin or VChain coin per hour. You can see it is indicated right here. So you see I'm getting 2.2 VET coin per hour. You get it? So after every 24 hours it will be 52.96. So that is what I get per day. And again, I'm always checking in to get the 0.1 VET coin, because why should I miss it? And it's free. The app or the system is giving it to me for free. So always after registering, you have to check in daily. And guys, this is not free. You have to deposit a minimum of 10 USDT for you to activate the first level, which is level 1 or VIP 1. Okay, so I also indicated in the video that I'm going to tag. So you have to watch the tutorial video. If it's so hard for you, join the group, ask me a question how to do it, I'll help you through. But it's good you go watch that video I'm gonna link, okay? It will pop up on the right side or left side of this video once you are done watching this video. So you can see other things that you can also do daily on a daily task. So you have to sign in daily. You can also invite your friends, you claim the task every day. You can see, just go through everything. And also remember to join the Telegram channel the first day you register on the app for more updates from the website. Okay, so as you can see guys, I've already claimed my my VET coin. So I'm going to show you where it has gone. So I'm gonna click on me down here. So me is right here, guys. I'm gonna click on it. Then it will bring me to my dashboard, or yeah, it will bring me to this it will bring me to, okay, let me just go back first. Okay, so yeah, it will bring me here. So you'll see where all the VET coin plus the USDT I have are. So here we have different wallets. So we have the VET wallet, where when you claim the VET or when you get it as an airdrop, it will be under VET wallet until you exchange it to USDT, is when it will come to this wallet called brokerage wallet. This is USDT. So I'm having 365.29 VET coin, of which I can change into I mean, I can exchange or swap into USDT. I'm gonna show you how. If you haven't watched any of the videos about VChain, I'm gonna show you how in this video too. So again, we also have this wallet for recharge wallet. So I'm gonna give you the differences. I've already explained about the VET wallet, and now it's about a brokerage wallet. Brokerage wallet is a wallet whereby after exchanging the VET coin to USD or USDT, or after swapping the VET coin to USDT, it will be brought. So, and under brokerage wallet too, if you earn a commission from your members, it will be deposited here under brokerage wallet. And again, we have recharge. So we also have recharge wallet. So recharge wallet is a wallet whereby the first time when you recharge, if you don't know how to recharge, make sure you watch the video. I explained, I did it lively. So if you recharge, the money or the USDT you recharge will be deposited into your recharge wallet. So you have to come here after that to click on upgrade. After you recharge, you have to come to upgrade. So when you click on upgrade, you'll be able to see different levels under mining tools. You'll be able to see different levels. So you can see I'm in level 1, whereby I bought it with 10 USDT, which is 52 VET coin per day, and it is for 10 days. So on 13th it will be expiring. I can renew. And the other one is this one. You recharge it with $50, and it's for 20 days. You get 150 VT coin per day, which is so good. So we have different levels. So you go with the ones that you are comfortable with. So if you ever take, if you can deposit 1,999 USDT, you are good to go, because you'll be earning 7,000 VET coin per day. And this VET coin, you can withdraw it immediately, because the minimal amount is $2 or 2 USDT. So you click on buy it now. So it will be bought automatically, so long as you have the amount in your recharge wallet after recharging. Okay, I hope you've understood that. So if you want to get a team, you can as well go ahead and click on share with friends, or copy your link right here, share with them, let them join, because this is free way to join. Like, it's a good site, guys. It started October 2024 5th, and it has been there ever since that time till to date. So join as early as now, make some extra cash, withdraw your money daily if you want. So I'm gonna show you too how to exchange this, though I'm not gonna exchange now. So if you click on this place written, let me go back. If you click on this place written VET, VET, VET and USDT right here, guys. This, if you tap on it, you will see where you are supposed to swap or exchange. You can see right here, 1 VET is equal to 0.03 USDT, and remember I have 365.29. So if you want to swap everything, you just click on everything, all right here. So you will be able to see the amount you have in USDT. You can see right here. You can see this is 365 is 10 USDT 0.95. You can see. So if I like, I can withdraw it. But for me now, guys, you can withdraw every day. You can withdraw every day. But as for me, I withdrew the first day. So for now, I'm still gonna hold it maybe until Friday. Then I'm gonna record a video doing a live withdrawal. Okay, guys. So after that, you click on confirm. Yeah, confirm is down here. Click on confirm. Confirm is here. Confirm to swap. Okay. Also, if you don't want to swap everything, if you don't want to swap everything, you just come here, type what you want to swap, and you can see the minimal amount you can swap is 50 VET coin. So if you click on 50, that is $1.50, right? So that is the minimal amount you can you can withdraw. For example, if you are in level 1, so you will be getting 1.56 dollars per day. Okay, that is for level 1. Okay, and again, guys, I'm so happy that there is also something like airdrop, like they give you free VT coin if you like. Yeah, you click on a leaderboard. You see leaderboard here, guys. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see. And I won 100 VT coin. So all these countings, they normally renew or restart after every 7 days. You can see. So the last one, I won $100. I mean 100 VT coin. I was among the top 20 people. I won 100 VT coin and it was sent to my account. Right now you can see my ranking because I'm holding this amount or this quantity of VET coin. So as long as you don't want to withdraw, you can also withdraw and you can also keep or hold. So that's why we call this competition. It's kind of competition. We call it holding ranking, and also we have team ranking. So under holding ranking is where you just leave your coin there without exchanging. Then you'll be rewarded if you finish after every 7 days. If they renew the count, if you are among the 20 people, you will be rewarded accordingly, according to the instructions of that week. So you can see right here, the top 50 players. Oh, it's top 50. Oh wow. So I was among them, but I think I was number 17 or so. I'm not sure though, but I was among the 20. But they also give 50, the top 50 players. So the top 50 players can receive airdrop rewards, and the airdrop event will be held once a week. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys are understanding all these things, and it's free. You don't need to pay anything to win the airdrop. You just need to hold it there. Then if we come on, I'm gonna show you what I won. You'll see it. So I'm now at, my ranking is 14. To mean I must get something, and my quantity is this. So if I do this until next week, I might be even in rank 10 or lower than that. You can see people here. We have the first person is having 16,000 VET, 16,159. Wow, this is a good. This person is holding good money. And also the second person is having 12,000. So people are also holding, people are also withdrawing. So don't don't stress yourself. If you want to withdraw, withdraw. If you want to hold. Yeah. So you can see me right here. So these are real people. If you know that they are real people, you can see me. This is me. I'm in rank 14. I'm number 14. You can see. These are real people in real time. You can see me. My name, Cynthia. Here, I'm in number 14. You saw it there, right? So these are real things you can see. You can see all these things. So they are real, guys. You can join me. We make money together with as less as $10 going onward. So join with 10, join with 50, join with $100, join with any amount you have, so long as it is $10 and above. Join now, make extra money. Okay, guys. anything that you need to know that I've not talked about, I said that I was going to show you. Okay, we also have team ranking. Team ranking is whereby you invite your friends. So the number of friends that you've invited, you can see the first person is having 3,000 and something. So with me, I'm even I'm unrankable. You can see I'm only having 10 people and it's unrankable. Like they don't even know where to put me. You see, they have many people having big numbers. Also here, they only give top 10, top 50. I mean, so you can see invitation ranking rewards are issued once every 7 days. Rewards are distributed as follows: first to fifth place are getting 500 VT coins. Sixth to 300 are getting 300 coins. So that is how it's done, so on and so forth. So guys, make sure that you do something. This is free. Like, it's like, what is $10? I know it's hard to get, but hey, just sacrifice $10, $50, $100, $1,000. Make extra money than keeping it there in your bank and it's not adding something making sense. Why don't you join this? This app has been there for some time. So I'm gonna drop the link on the comment section. Make sure you join and we make something good. So let me show you what I want. You can see financial history or financial records. You can see VET. So this is the one I got now. This is the rewards for checking in. You can see mining yesterday, and you can see airdrop reward. I was rewarded on 7th. You can even see the time. So I was rewarded. You can see all the history. This day I exchanged 82 VET coin, and I also withdrew. If you can check here, I did a withdrawal. You can see this one is for commission. I was given 1.5 USDT, and this day I exchange. Oh, okay, I'll pay later. Okay, so you can see exchange airdrop. I did 82 and I was given 2.46. If you watch that video I'm tagging, you will be able to see my live withdrawal of this amount. So guys, that is it. If you want to join the channel, you tap on this, join the channel, then here talk to customer care. This is the channel. You can join the channel, go through the channel. You'll be able to see all these things about this app. You will be able to see. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you join as soon as you see this video, and if you have any question, don't forget to like, subscribe, or like the video. Also turn the bell on, and again, don't hesitate to ask question if you have question to ask. So see you in my next video, and I'm gonna talk about another app or website that is really good. I recharge $300, so make sure you recharge something good. I'm coming soon with that video. That video is gonna upload soon. I'm gonna upload it soon, so guys, stay tuned, watch it. It's another real app that is gonna make you some good money, though it's different from these ones, but somehow like these ones, but it's kind of unique. So make sure you join as soon as you see all this video I normally talk about. You can also reach customer care right here. So guys, thank you. See you for now.